What's up guys, it's Jackie. If you are new to my videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I post 3 times a week based on like makeup tips, makeup tutorials, and product reviews. Also some unboxings. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a update on a product that I really hated. Like, I shit on this product when I tried it on. I said it was dandruff beads on my face. I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me tell you what product I'm talking about. This is the Covergirl Trublend Matte Made Foundation, and I have it in the shell L90. I had a video of like a first impression with this. I'll have a link down below if you want to check out the disaster that this was at the beginning. But you know, like, that's why first impressions aren't always the best thing. So I'm going to sit down and kind of give you an update. I picked it up again. I said I probably wouldn't use it ever again. Like, I don't know if I said it in the video, but I said it in my head, and I did not want to use this ever again. When I initially used it, it was a disaster. It left like beads on my face, but I figured out how to use it and how I really like it. This is probably going to be one of my staples during the winter months. This is a matte foundation, and that's kind of where the like dandruff beads came in. There's like powder incorporated inside of that product to kind of keep it matte throughout the day, but if you don't use it correctly, you just look gross. So the way I like to use it is I'll pump it out on the back of my hand, just dot it all over my face like normal, and then I'll go in with a brush and going in downward strokes, so it kind of like breaks up the beads of powder and kind of like evenly distributes it. And then after that, I'll go in with a sponge on top and just kind of give it a nice airbrushed finish. That is the perfect way to use it. It does last a very long time on the face. This and the NARS Longwear Radiant Foundation would probably be the ones that I would pick if I needed my foundation to last a long time. And then on top of all that, of course, I would use a setting spray. If I needed it to last a really long time, probably the Urban Decay setting spray, because that shit's bomb, okay? But this claims like a 12-hour wear. I probably would agree with that. Maybe even a little bit longer if you set properly, because, well, actually you have to take in consideration that I'm like dry here, oily here, so I set this down a lot and then under my eyes, and then everything else is kind of like, woo. But yeah, it does wear a long time on me. I really do like it. Again, this is probably going to be one of the foundations I wear the most throughout the winter months. I actually have the foundation on today, but let's show you. Why did I put a whole pump just to show you? So it is pretty opaque. Like, even doing this, I could feel the beads. Gross. But again, just blend it out really well with like a brush, not your finger, and it'll break up the beads so that you don't have little dots on your face looking like you got little pimples. This is quite a mess. Why did I put so much on? But look, it's pretty dang opaque. The shade range on it was also super amazing. That's kind of why I picked it up at the beginning anyway, just because it was such a great shade range. Like, I have L90, which is a classic beige. It was like a really great shade range, and I take back everything I said about this because I really love it now, and I'm gonna go now because I'm embarrassed that I shat on that product, but really love it now. Again, if you want to see that video, I'll have a link down below along with some other videos, probably on the screen as well. And then again, if you want to subscribe, just click right up there, and I will see you guys next time.